Not that hard to get off. We'll see how the install is. Alright, got the mufflers installed now. Just gotta tighten everything. I think it looks pretty good. Gotta put the cover back on. It was all pretty easy to install. I think anybody could do it. Honestly, the hardest part was just getting these clips on, and that was pretty easy. So we'll see how it sounds in a bit. Sound test. This is how it sounds. Sounds way cooler. I put in the quiet baffles too, but not the super Q, because I don't want it way too quiet, and I've heard people say that it kind of messes with the acceleration. I think it sounds good. Not way too loud. I was scared it was going to be way louder, but no, it sounds good. I know it's kind of hard to tell like on a TV, but trust me, and even in like person, it sounds really good. Not obnoxiously loud, but still really sounds awesome. Definitely recommend these, and with the quiet baffles as well. I just didn't want it too loud, too obnoxious. I got neighbors, you know? Okay.